Here is the Tonlinco metal herb grinder. And you can see the entire thing is made of metal. You can see the metal teeth on both sides. There's also a magnet right there and a magnet on the lid so that it's magnetized, and it still has a very smooth twist for when grinding. It has 3 layers, so when you take off the grinding layer, you have a little catch layer here with a mesh. Underneath the mesh layer is where all the fine particles would go, and it also has a little scraper to help keep clean and a little brush to help keep it clean.